What's going on, everybody? In today's video, I'm going to go over the core fundamentals of how you need to structure your affiliate marketing business so it's built correctly and is sustainable for you to actually build a long-term business. So any of you that are new here, please go ahead and subscribe. Smash that like button for me. My name's Austin, and we talk all things entrepreneurship and making money online. Any of you that don't know what affiliate marketing is already, affiliate marketing is when you take somebody else's product and you promote it and you receive a commission anytime that product sells. So you don't have any physical inventory, you don't do any customer service, there's not really any logistics or anything like that. You just need to make sure you build your business correctly so it's sustainable. And I'm going to go over through all that in this video. So this video isn't going to be super pretty or super long or in depth. It's just going to be the basic structure and foundation so you could do this correctly. And then as long as you're subscribed to this channel, you'll be able to see how to implement these strategies later on in videos that are already I've posted or videos that are continuing to be uploaded every single day. So let's go ahead. As you see, we're already got the computer open. We don't have any fluff on this channel, so we're going to dive straight into the computer. I'm going to grab this real quick. I'm going to show you what we need to do. I'm going to grab a rectangle, right? So the very first thing you're going to want to do is have what we call an email opt-in page. So this will be our email, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to draw a couple boxes for you guys right now. Bridge page, and then we'll draw our affiliate offer. So how this works is I'm going to just write email opt-in. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to write the word bridge. I'll explain what all of this is, and then we'll have our affiliate offer. Right, so here, let me grab this and make it a little bit bigger for you so you can make sure you can see it. That should be good. Make this a little bit bigger. And let's make this a little bit bigger. All right, everybody should be able to see that. So you have an email opt-in page. Let me grab an arrow for you. Shapes, arrow. Nope, not undo. Text, grab that, make it bigger. And where's this shape? I know, pen. Sure. We want to draw an arrow, and it'll go like this, and it'll go like this. So the way this works, right? So the very first page is an email opt-in page. So what an email opt-in page? That is the page that your customers will first land on. In fact, here, I'll show you one. Let's go over to one of mine. Let's just click here. You'll see right here, you can't really read everything because it's chopped off, but start here. If you want to do the exact framework to create a six-figure affiliate marketing business, you would click this button, right? And then you see how it pops up a first name and email address. That's what we call an email opt-in page. So before anybody actually gets anything, I get their email. So that's the very first step. You want to receive somebody's email. And the reason for you wanting to obtain somebody's email is you do that in exchange for value. Whatever you promise on that email opt-in page, you're going to exchange it for their email address. So when you get their email address, that is yours. You now own that. They gave it to you. They agreed to the terms to give you the email opt-in. So now you can market to them later on down the road. That email is that email address in your email like portfolio of all your contacts. That is an asset to your business that you can market to for the rest of your life, unless they unsubscribe, which is totally fine because we have email autoresponders. It's easy for them to unsubscribe, and it's totally legal. And then from there, they'll go to the bridge page. But again, I want to clarify why that's important, because if algorithms change, and you may not know what algorithms are, but it's the way that Facebook and social platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest is how they operate. That's what an algorithm is. So if those change or something happens, maybe it gets shut down or it gets like anything like that, and you can't reach your audience, you actually have a pool of people that have showed interest in something in your niche that you can now market products to them forever while you're trying to figure out and overcome obstacles or anything like that. So after the email opt-in page, they are taken to what is known as a bridge page. So the bridge page is the page where you give them value. It's where you talk about the affiliate product, the product you decided to promote. That bridge page is where you bring value and just insights, maybe testimonials, maybe customer experiences, stuff like that. You let them know, hey, we're going to offer you a free trial or what have you. And then after that bridge page, you take them to the affiliate offer. The affiliate offer is the actual product, program, software, service, whatever it is that you decided to promote to your audience. And that will be the affiliate offer. So most of the time, people don't really pay attention to this. So the way this would work is your customer will hit the email opt-in page. Let's grab an arrow and not a redo button. I'm already on arrows. We'll draw an arrow. Let's grab a curved arrow, right? Let's say your customer goes from the email opt-in. They're going to go to the bridge page. From the bridge page, they go to the affiliate offer. I guess we already had arrows. But from there, only realistically, we'll say maybe 95% of people say yes and buy. 5% of people say no and don't buy. And this right here, everybody, this is a common misconception. I want to make that very clear. This is a very common misconception. That is not true. So what is actually true in this situation is 5% of people are on the fence. Oh, wow. I totally did that wrong. 95% of people are not going to say yes. So let's back up out of all of this. And let's go back and just honestly say 5% of people buy. And 95% of people are assumed to say no. And the problem with this, everybody, is I want to be very clear, is these numbers are not actual accurate. The problem is the key word here is going to be assumed to say no. When you think somebody says no, you don't market to them later, well, then they're a no. But the real reason, the real facts to this is I say even 80%, so maybe 15 are a complete no, 80% are on the fence. Which means they are optimistic, but they're uninformed, so they don't know if they should or should not do it. They need somebody to help persuade them. And the way we persuade them is going to be this right here. Let's grab us another arrow, and we'll drop this down. The email opt-in page. So now that you got their email, we'll drop them in to what we call an email sequence. This email sequence will look something like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, and so on and so forth. And obviously this just keeps going and going and going. This is your email. That was a horrible line, but you guys get the point. These are your email sequence, right? So in your email sequence, you need to continue to bring a value. So what most people do wrong right here, though, most people take the emails and they just write a bunch of stuff and they send them back to the affiliate offer. And this is not what you want to do. So I want to be very clear. You do not want to take your emails and do that at all. This is wrong. And the reason I say this is wrong is because you skipped the bridge page. And when I mean you skip the bridge page, once they land into your email sequence, you need to bring them value again, because who knows what email they're going to open, how long it's been since you showed them the product. They maybe lost interest. And the reason they lost interest is because they don't understand the value. So what you have to do is you need to bring these emails, they need to contain stuff that is valuable. And what do I mean valuable? I'm going to show you right now. We're going to grab another box. And this is what we're going to have. Super easy. I'm gonna grab some text. I'm gonna write something. So right here, we're going to send them to, maybe we send them to a blog. Maybe we send them to a YouTube video, which is obviously informative. Maybe this will be a testimonial or a review, whatever you want to call it. Maybe this will be just a article, something like that, or a newsletter. But you get the point. So now in the email, you send them to a blog with information. You send them to a YouTube video with information. You send them to a testimonial with information, an article with information. You're not trying to sell. Most people take the email sequence right here and they try to sell the customer. They're trying to sell their audience. The key is not to sell them. You don't want to convince your audience because you don't want them to buy something that they're not interested in. That's what the definition of convincing is. What you want to do is persuade them, because you see right here, they are on the fence. Your customer's on the fence. They don't know if it will benefit them or not. If it will, if it brings them value, if they feel as though this is something they need, then they will just purchase it. And that is called persuasion. And the way to do that is through blogs, YouTube videos, testimonials, articles, forums, anything of that nature. And then what you do from here is you're going to take this blog, and in the blog or whatever you type, you drive them back to the affiliate offer. The YouTube video drives them back to the affiliate offer. The review back to the affiliate offer. The article back to the affiliate offer. And you can do this indefinitely. You can run emails for the rest of your life to your audience in that niche. And another thing is that affiliate offer, you can change it. Like if maybe you're doing weight loss and you keep sending keto diets, but then you realize maybe your audience isn't interested in the keto diet. Maybe only 20% of your audience, maybe 20% of these people on the fence are interested in keto diets. The other 60% may be interested in a different type of diet. I don't know, like a fasting or a vegan diet or something. So what you need to do is introduce, let's say, introduce similar but different affiliate offers. And what I mean similar but different is they fall in the same niche. And if you don't know what a niche is, it's just a category. Weight loss is a category, for example. So if they're interested in weight loss, they may or may not, like I said, be interested in that keto diet you originally promoted. And then you need to offer them something different. It's similar, but it's different than a keto diet. It is a vegan diet. Maybe that resonates with 20% of your audience. And then the other keto diet resonates with 20% of your audience that's sitting here on the fence. And once they come off that fence, the more emails you chunk at them, the closer they are to getting on either side of the fence, whether it's a yes, I do need this, or a no, which eventually it separates them. And then they get out and they're unsubscribed and they're not in your email list, which benefits you. So I hope that gives you a more clear understanding of how you need to properly structure this business. If you want more help with this, as always, we do, like if you don't understand affiliate marketing whatsoever, I will leave the first link in the description will be for affiliate marketing. The second link in the description will be to get your free funnel. So what this is, if somebody doesn't know what this is up here, this is called a funnel. The email is called an automated email sequence. So if you need either of these softwares, I will leave them in the description below. Again, if you're new to affiliate marketing, I highly recommend you checking out the very first link. It's the training for affiliate marketing. And in that training, we have the funnel building software and the email autoresponders accessible for you to just upgrade to from right there. The links are there, but I will leave them down below. If this was helpful, please subscribe and smash that like button for me. Make it turn blue. It definitely helps the algorithm. It helps me grow this YouTube channel, and it helps me bring more content to all of you beautiful people. And also leave a comment below of what you need to see, what didn't make sense, and what do you need me to go into more depth on, and I'll record a video just for that. So as always, I appreciate you being here, and we'll see you in the next one.